All right, now that we have got this new insurance plan, we really need to take the safety of our boat during hurricane season into our own hands. Because we are staying a little bit more risky of an area, we need to have a good plan for where we're actually going to put her. Fortunately, we reached out to Brunswick Landing Marina about 4 or 5 months ago in order to try and get a spot for hurricane season. At that point, the main part of the marina was actually fully booked up, but they did have a spot in their overflow area. We are really excited that we were able to get a spot there. I can't believe how fast it books up, but I believe that is because it is such a well-known and well-protected hurricane hole where boats really can feel secure during hurricane season. So super pumped that we got a spot, super pumped that it's just one more bridge away right there, which we'll have no trouble fitting under. I always prefer living on the hook, but there's a couple of nice perks about marinas as well. So let's go. Radar. Oh my gosh, I'm just sitting here filming the dogs like I have no purpose. I gotta go pick up the anchor. I'm doing it!
Are you sure?
I'm sorry, I forgot.
I got it. I can get started.
Third time's a charm.
Ew.
It's icky. Why do you think I'm letting you do this?
Rowdy. I don't know. Your turn!
Okay. Now for the lines.
Yep.
I think we cleared it. Back to getting the lines on.
Brunswick Landing Marina. Brunswick Landing Marina. This is Leviosa.
Leviosa, this is Brunswick Landing Marina. That's go 7171.
Switching to 7-1. Brunswick Landing Marina. This is Leviosa.
Leviosa, this is Brunswick Landing Marina. Go ahead.
Hey, I just got right outside the range marker, and we're here for a reservation. Just looking for a slip number.
Leviosa, have you guys ever been there before?
I have not.
Leviosa, as you're approaching right now, you're passing dock number 0, and we got you going on dock. You guys require 50 amps, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I got you going on dock number 6, and that's slip B, and that's going to be on the north side.
Say slip B, north side of dock 6.
That's for roger that. That's in between 6 and 7, and I'll be down there to assist you.
Okay, thanks. Is it a full bay? Does it matter which side we can tie up on?
No, it doesn't matter which side. It's your preference.
Awesome, thank you. We'll be on the tied up on the starboard side.
Roger that.
Leviosa 16.
Sweet, easy enough. So dock 6, this is dock 0, and behind you, I imagine they go in order. So we're looking for the 7th dock. We're gonna go in bow in. So you wanna retie everything right now. All right, we're going bow in. It's fine. We're gonna have to. Power pull, our power won't reach.
Well, that didn't go as planned.
It was great. I don't know what you're talking about. Nobody cried, nobody got hurt.
That's true. Had to last minute move the fenders from the port side to the starboard side, but thankfully there were a couple of people. What? Oh, yeah, from the starboard side to the port side, and then the wind was pushing us on the dock a little more than we had anticipated or expected, but we had a couple of people come over and help us tie on, which always makes it nice, and they told us about a free happy hour. So
I didn't hear that part. I'm just hearing this.
oh,
What?
free happy hour starting at 5, beer and wine served.
Boom.
Boom.
Let's get checked in.
Okay. We will make sure to get the lines tied on just right for hurricane season, but for right now, it is just all about getting the boat secured and getting checked in and getting back to work and hitting up that happy hour, let's be honest.
All right, I'm gonna go get checked in. While I'm gone, can you start hooking up the power?
Yep.
Thanks.
Part of me thinks he got the easier job. All he has to do is swipe a credit card. So we just redid this panel, and now I need to make sure that I remember how to use shore power because we haven't used it since we got all this stuff done to the boat. When in Rome, use the air conditioning. Oh. I'm so glad I found you the old-fashioned way. Well, I've never filmed first thing in the morning before, but this is incredible. Brunswick is really showing off this morning with a gorgeous sunrise. Marina is pretty awesome. It's got a lot going for it for the next couple of days, but I'm gonna have to tell you guys all about it after coffee, because there are some things I just need before I can YouTube. Even though we have the washer dryer, I am never going to pass up the opportunity to get laundry done in the most efficient way possible. And when you have a laundromat, you have access to multiple machines to do laundry at one time. So I'm going to head over to the Marina facilities and see what they've got over there.
So if you've noticed the lack of drone footage recently, our controller died and I haven't had a chance to fix it. And I was actually going to use it as an opportunity to get a smart controller so we didn't have to worry about the phones and whatnot. But the smart controllers are on back order, and it's gonna be 2 months before they're available again. So one more nice thing about being in the marina is it gives you an address to ship things to, and I'm taking this as an opportunity to get Jess a Mini. She has talked about wanting a Mini ever since the first one came out. The Mini 2s are out now, and I'm really excited because she has no clue. So it'll be a nice little surprise when we get back. It is really nice having access to Amazon once again, and I cannot wait to see Jess's reaction. Hey, Jess.
What's that?
It's a box from Amazon.
Mail?
Yeah, mail. It's great, huh?
What did we get?
What'd you get?
I didn't order anything.
Well, it's for you.
Got your name on it.
Well, yeah. Everything has my name on it.
My goodness! What? I wanted one of these for so long.
What is it? Show the camera.
The DJI Mini. Oh my gosh. Now we can drone. Oh, I have missed some drone footage. Oh my god.
No way.
Oh my god.
That's crazy.
Oh.
Hold on, hold on.
Look at that.
Half the size.
Phoenix likes the drone. It's like everything in front of the battery. There's probably no battery in this right now because it's really light.
Yeah, there's no battery in it right now.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
Wait a minute.
Is there one in there? Yeah, I think there's one in there.
Oh my gosh, that's the real weight.
Whoa, let me see it. Whoa. Is there anything in here?
Go grab the kitchen scale. Eight ounces?
Yeah.
Almost 9 ounces? With the battery.
With the battery, yeah.
Wow.
The weight limit on where you have to register a drone is 250 grams. So when this thing first came out, that was one of its big selling points, is it's less than 250 grams. So you don't have to register it.
Cool. Oh my gosh, I love you. Well, now that the laundry is done, let's throw the drone up in the air and show you a little bit more of Brunswick. Hey y'all, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new here.